This internship was really interesting to me because it uses a lot of advanced robotics mixed with, basic mechanics and stuff. So I can really get the best of both worlds when it comes to what I want to do for a living. Everyone here is super nice. This company is just, all around a great company. So I couldn't think of a better place to intern at.
His name's David. He's from the Career Center at Bonds, and he's at Eastside High School. He's working with the mechatronics program at Bonds Career Center, and he's been working with our maintenance team here at Sandvik. And our maintenance guy's got a lot of experience. He really likes the work ethic that David's got, and he's ready to be able to take David as a young student trying to get his feet into maintenance for manufacturing and be able to kind of show him some of the experience that he's learned over his career.
You get to work hand in hand with the mechanics here and the operators. Pretty much everything that the workers do here, I get to try out myself.
What do you want to do with your life?
Hopefully something like this. I want to get into mechanics or robotic programming or something like that, stuff these people do every day. I think it's super interesting, taking apart stuff and figuring out how things work.
So far, the students we've gotten they're excellent. They're eager, they're hardworking, they're smart, and they have a focus and an idea of where they want to be. So that's just taking them right to us, and then they're just taking it as far as they can. They're not stopping at all here.
Ever since I was little, I always took stuff apart with my grandpa and stuff like that. So always something I've loved, and something I will continue to love till the end of my career and then some.